on the 10th anniversary of Madeleine going missing back in 2017, there was some coverage on a German TV program with a renewed witness appeal from Britain. He allegedly was in a bar with an acquaintance, saw this coverage, and apparently indicated to the friend that, oh, I know all about that. And the friend's suspicions were aroused, and subsequently the Met Police received a call naming him, and that's how he became a subject of much greater focus. And when they talked to German counterparts, he clearly was a man of interest, and that's when the investigation into him began in earnest. So the police have known about him for at least 3 years.
Clarence, good speaking to you for all the wrong reasons. I'm sure you understand why I'm saying that. Clarence Mitchell, your official spokesperson for the McCann family. We'll pick up on our conversation concerning face masks. Interesting enough, the next call is from Germany, which of course is the heart of that story we've just been having about Madeleine McCann. Jeff, but let's do it the other side of the news to give you a fair crack. The Whip also coming up after the news. They held a summit as regards that ludicrous quarantine plan that's coming in as of Monday. But British Airways decided to boycott it. More on that after this. And coming up in the next hour, try and contain your excitement, Labour will launch a consultation project on how to create new jobs, but they have to be green jobs post-virus. More on that to come at 7:30. You're listening to Breakfast with Edith Ferrari here on BBC. The news is with Holly Harris.
The Doctors' Union is calling for face coverings to be made compulsory in all places where social distancing is impossible, and not just on public transport. Ministers have announced that all train and bus passengers in England will have to wear one from the 15th of June. There's going to be an inquiry into the racial inequalities highlighted by the coronavirus pandemic. It will look at how ethnic minorities are treated in terms of education, employment and criminal justice. The Mail reports the German suspect in the Madeleine McCann case has previously admitted to the abduction. The Sun newspaper claims his confession came on the 10th anniversary of her disappearance when he was watching a TV report with a friend in a bar. And a memorial's been held in Minneapolis for George Floyd, whose death in police custody sparked protests worldwide.